An important part of warming up the vocal folds and all the articulators is a very simple exercise that helps us throw out the consonants a lot more smoothly. So this particular exercise, p, 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 t, 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 k, k, k. So p, p, p. It's a bilabial sound, p, p, p. Then your tongue hits the hard palate, t, 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 k, k, k. Now when you do the k, it raises the soft palate. So it works systematically on all the three sections. So p, p, t, t, k, k. You can increase the number of repetitions that you do. P, 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 t, 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 k, k, k. P, 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 t, 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 k, k, k. So keep doing these exercises and it will warm up all your vocal folds and your articulators before you have a presentation. Definitely do these exercises and let me know in the comment section what difference do you feel when you do these.